Hey AI fans! Anthropic just cut off OpenAI's access to Claude AI models, sparking a major feud in the AI world. Is this a sign of bigger battles to come? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this AI showdown. Anthropic yanked OpenAI's access to its Claude AI models after claims OpenAI used them to boost GPT-5. While benchmarking access stays, this move exposes fierce AI rivalries. Want the full scoop? Keep watching. It's reported OpenAI tapped Claude's coding, writing, and safety features to benchmark its own models, breaching Anthropic's terms against using Claude for rival development. Anthropic confirmed the ban but kept API access open for benchmarking and safety evaluations. OpenAI called it industry standard practice and lamented the decision, noting their API remains open to Anthropic. This clash follows Anthropic's earlier restrictions, like blocking OpenAI from Windsurf, with Chief Science Officer Jared Kaplan saying selling Claude to rivals would be incongruous. The move highlights growing AI competition, especially with GPT-5 looming. Anthropic's balancing act, allowing evaluation but not development, shows the tightrope between collaboration and protecting proprietary tech. This feud signals a heated AI race, with companies like Anthropic guarding their tech fiercely. As GPT-5 nears, scrutiny over cross-company tool use will likely grow. Analysts say this could set new norms for how AI giants share or don't share their innovations. Is the AI industry heading for a turf war? With Claude access cut, OpenAI's GPT-5 prep might face hurdles, while Anthropic doubles down on protecting Claude. Stay tuned for more AI drama. What's your take on this rivalry? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Anthropic's Claude ban on OpenAI. Are you Team Anthropic, Team OpenAI, or just hype for GPT-5? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.